parents, I wanted to send you guys a quick video explaining some of the work I'm sending home tomorrow. I don't send a lot of work home. In other words, every single paper we do in class, it would be a lot. There's a lot of cutting and gluing and pasting. And so I did want to send home one of the most important things we work on in class, and that is dictation. And I wanted to give you a quick video of how we do that in class so it makes sense to you when you see this work being sent home. So this is our dictation page, and this is what your child will see twice a week actually. Every Tuesday and Thursday we do these papers. And we write our name on our paper just like always. And if you see, we have a number 1, a line with spaces, and another line with number 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to write a word in these spaces per sound that we hear, and then rewrite the word. What we do when we have the word is I will give them the word, like in this, I'll say glad, and they pound it with their opposite hand they write with. So if your child is left-handed, they'll be pounding with their right hand. If they're right-handed, they're pounding with their left hand. So they would say glad, g-l-a-d, glad. And the G-L is a blend. That's why there's 2 little lines underneath here. And then a, and then d, glad. So they've separated out the sounds, and then they rewrite it in their best handwriting. And they're looking at the house writing, so they're either in the house, in the attic, or in the basement. The G goes in the basement, an L will go into the attic, the D will go into the attic, a little bit like that. I'll do one more. Plan. They would say plan, P-L-A-N, plan. We have our blend, P-L, A, and N, P-L-A-N. So I just wanted to give you guys kind of a heads up of what we're doing with that work when I'm sending it home, and you're not just seeing them. It looks like they just write the word twice. There's actually a method to what we're doing, and it actually helps them learn to read the words and read even bigger words by sounding out the sounds in each word. So hope you guys enjoyed our little video. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.